G'day folks, welcome to Creative Printers of London. If you wish to profit from personalising leather goods such as handbags, wallets, purses, key fobs, belts and mobile phone cases, then look no further than our British-designed Foilcraft Hot foil stamping machines. Our tabletop machines allow you to print initials or logos onto real and fake leather, plus many other surfaces, all in an instant. Our machines can be used anywhere in the world and are available in 110 volt or 220 to 240 volt. So whether you're in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, New York, London or anywhere for that matter, we can offer prompt delivery worldwide. For further details, please refer to our contact details at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys.